Welcome back, friends. In the time you were away, we got to work aligning the hull panels to the bulkheads. In addition to making sure that each bulkhead is at the correct distance from the bow, we also make sure that each hull panel has a proper alignment with each other to help keep the hull smooth. To help with that shape, we use these little wooden blocks called doohickeys. Wait, no, that's not right. What script is it? Oh, thanks. We use these little wooden blocks called steelers. By tightening one screw or the other, you can push or pull the panels into alignment, where they are held until the epoxy has cured. Before we begin to fuse the hull panels together with the magic of epoxy, we're going to install a breast hook. The breast hook essentially helps spread the bow into the proper shape and will also add a lot of strength up front. Same thing as before. We're going to paint a thin layer of epoxy to be absorbed by the plywood, then the wood flour mixture, and finally, we're going to secure the breast hook with some stainless steel screws that will stay in the boat for the whole ride. Oh, one more thing before we fuse the hull panels for Tom in the morning. We're going to install the gunnels. These strips of wood help to support the sides of the hull, as well as helping to define its shape. We found it was easiest to install in two separate pieces that we then glued together. Otherwise, we would have had to steam the boards to get them to bend enough. The gunnels will also receive stainless steel screws from the exterior that will stay in place. Now it's time. We had so much gluing to do. We each made our own cups of wood flour epoxy, and still ended up needing more. At this point, we're just going in between each stitch. After we've pulled the stitches, we'll come back and finish the seams. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time as we remove the stitches and start to learn just how much sanding it takes to build a boat.